Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to find my Facebook Business Manager ID verification. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to see more over here and go to Ads Manager. So guys, from here, just simply go ahead and go for the side tab over here and go for all tools. And from here, just go to business settings. And from here, just simply select your page. And now from here, just scroll down and go for business info. And from here, guys, as you can see at the very top, you should be able to see the business manager ID. And from here, you should be able to see your number. And that's simply about it. Just simply follow the steps that I showed you. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below and I'll try my best to answer your question. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.